I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
Today, I found myself in this small but fine VESPA workshop. It has everything you need: a refrigerator with beer and a foosball table. It's furnished, very lovely, with lots of original VESPA merch and many devotional articles, which are absolute highlights for real collectors. The owner of this workshop is Tom. Would you like to introduce yourself briefly?
I am Tom. I founded this business more than 15 years ago, together with my friend Eric. Back then, it was all about passion, and it just developed a lot over the years. We got to do more and more scooters and put more and more effort into it, slowly building up the collection that Eric owns now. To this day, we have the philosophy that if we get a scooter, we try to restore it as closest to the original as we can. Like with those floor runners. We grab the old stuff and try to restore it as good as we can.
That's a lot of attention to details. Do you work on your own projects, just for you too? Or do you also work for customers who can come here?
We also do work for customers, yes. As I said, we founded this workshop in 2005, and our customer base has grown ever since. Today, our customers come from Munich, Stuttgart, and even further away.
You also specialized in colors.
Yeah, we did. We acquired the original recipes 10 years ago. Now we can mix basically all paints up to the V98. We have all the recipes here. It's actually good business, grateful business, that also puts us in contact with many people from Austria and Switzerland. There's basically no one left who still has these recipes to bring them back onto the streets. But we're able to make the Vespas look original and very beautiful, even after an accident or something.
So, if you ever need an original paint for your old scooter, Tom is your guy to call. He also delivers everywhere and knows everything that you need to know about different Vespa paints. Tom, thanks for having me. I think your workshop is fantastic. Thanks for the beer. Maybe we'll meet again for a beer sometime. I think it's nice that there are still authentic workshops like this one here in the middle of Germany. I really enjoyed being here and will visit again for sure. Today, we gave you a little look behind the scenes of a workshop. A very interesting little workshop in my opinion. Especially the idea with the original colors is very good. If you like this video, leave us a comment. Maybe there will be more behind-the-scenes looks of workshops or small manufactories in the future. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time. Bye.